Guys, electric start, it does turn over. We did not get two of these come in. They've been setting. We put our charger on them. Nothing's firing. Gentleman brought them both in. I would guess they've been setting for quite a while. They both got an extra serpentine belt and stuff. They're a matching pair. This one here, we scuffed it coming off the truck yesterday, so we hit this handlebar here. Okay, this one's actually lower mile than the other one. It's only got 3,077 miles on it. Seat and everything's in good shape. It's a nice color. But yeah, we did hit we hit this yesterday coming off the truck. So it's got a this button might need replaced. It comes in and out. That's your electronic kill switch. It does still seem to work, but it definitely broke the bottom of it. And then the steering on the right side, we must have had a bolt or something come loose, because the other one is working fine, but the steering on the right side of this, we're just trying to tell you everything. This is consigned, the pair of them are. You saw them both turn over, but they are both 1990s. We don't know anything else. I don't know how long it's been since he rode these, but they do both turn over.